Everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. We got a nice picanha over here. I picked this up at the Happy Mango Butcher in Barrie, Ontario. You guys know about that place. Go on by, see Darren. He'll hook you up. Tell him I sent you in. We're going to be cooking this today on our Kettle Joe with the Santa Maria. I'm going to be trying this out here. Stuttering John's Smokehouse barbecue rub. El Carbone. We'll see how that is. Supposed to be good on beef. Let's go ahead and season this piece of meat up. I'm not going on with a binder today, I'm just going straight with the meat. This doesn't need any trimming today. I do have my knife out, just in case I did have to trim something. But we seem to be good. Patch your rub in. Don't rub it in. Let's hit the other side up with it now. If you guys are in Canada, you want to try some of this rub out, by all means, head on over to Stuttering John's Smokehouse. You guys can go and try this out yourselves. I'm not sure if they ship to the US. They might. I'll have to find out, but not sure. For now, that's pretty much ready. Our grain's running this way. I'm debating if I should cut it in the strips or just leave it whole. You know what, I'm going to leave it whole for now. We'll go on with it just like that. So let's let our Kettle Joe come up, which is just around the corner, burning away over here. There we go. I'll be adding a split to it now, a hickory split, and we'll get this going. So we'll see you in a bit. Oh, we've got a good fire burning now. Our hickory split's going. Let's go ahead and get this picanha on. I'm going to be going with the fat cap up for now. Nice sizzle there. We also have the grate elevated a little bit right now. I'm going to go ahead and raise it up a touch more. Right about there. We're probably almost halfway up now. We're going to let this go nicely. I'll pick back up when I'm either going to flip it over or lower the grate down. I've been going for about 10 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over so we can get the fat cap down there. I'll flip it over to the other side there. Let's take a look in there. We're coming along good. Still burning nicely. I'm going to let this go for maybe another 5-10 minutes. Then I'm going to slowly lower the grate down. Another 10 minutes has passed us by. Let's go ahead and lower this down now. We're going to lower this right down. There we go. Now we're going to start getting a sear on it. We're going to leave this and just keep flipping it. So stay tuned. Alright, like I said, just keep flipping it. Let it sit there for a couple minutes. Flip it over. Look at that nice crust starting to form on it. Hear that nice sizzle? Beautiful. Oops, sorry guys. Put that down. Let's let it go. So we've been flipping and flipping and flipping for the last 20 minutes or so, bringing us to a total of about 40 minutes. Let's go ahead and get a temp on this now. A little bit low over there. There we are. 128. 145. The thinner part. I'd say we're done. Let me go ahead and pull this off. I'll pick back up when I'm going to slice into it. Now here we are. We've rested for about 5 minutes or so. Nice and crisp. You guys can see both sides. Very nice. What do you say we slice this? I don't recall the grain 100%. I believe the grain is running this way. Let's slice into it and see what we got. Nice and moist, and I'm right with the grain. Look at that. Nice and rare. Inside, nice picanha. Guess I should have sharpened my knife a little bit more. It's okay. Look at that. Nice and rare inside. Just what I was looking for. Let's cut a piece off over here. Got some small piece over here. Let's give this a try. See how this rub is. Get down here so you guys can see. That rub is really good. Second piece. Really good. There you guys have it. Stuttering John Smokehouse. El Carbone. Or El Carbone. Whatever you want to call it. You guys should go and pick up a bottle of that. It's really good. I enjoy it. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check out the website. Like I said, if you're in Canada, hit them up. Try it out. If you're in the US, not sure if he ships, you can find out. I'll try and find out myself, but no guarantees. So, there you have it. Picanha, done on the Santa Maria. If you guys like this one, go ahead and hit the subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.